Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Kind of feel like I'm glowing in today's video with this shirt on. As you can see by the title, today I am bringing you a easy summer makeup tutorial with no foundation. I know summer is pretty much, like canceled due to recent events, but maybe you're putting on makeup because you just want to, do something while you're around the house. Maybe you're taking selfies inside the house, outside the house. Maybe the stay-at-home order has been lifted wherever you are. Here, it's been pushed back to like June 13th. Maybe it's lifted where you are. I don't know if that would mean I would go out. I'm gonna leave it to y'all. You guys test it first. Let me know how it goes. But if for any reason you do want to put makeup on this summer, I'm bringing you an easy tutorial that doesn't require much because who wants to do a lot during the summer? Especially here in New York. Like 2 weeks ago, it was snowing, and then last week it was 73 degrees. It gets weird up here. Okay, so if you guys want to see a tutorial that gives you a nice little radiant sun-kissed look, this video is sponsored by Vesca, so I will be bringing you some of their new products to help me achieve that look. But if you guys want to see it, then just stay tuned. And this is that new product. If you guys don't remember Vesca Beauty, I introduced them on my channel late last year. They launched a whole bronzer line. Okay, not 1, 2, maybe 3 to throw in someone's contour shade of bronzers, a whole bronzer line. And now they've launched a new primer. I'm guessing, I would think this brand's gonna stay in like the complexion range. We'll see though. But this is their Soft Sun Radiant Skin Primer and Luminizer. As you can see, there are 3 that do 3 different things. First is First Blush, which is going to give you a radiant look. There is Sunrise, which is going to give you a warm look to your face. And then there is Dawn, which is going to give you a brightness. First Blush and Sunrise are the 2 that I've used in videos before. Like, I've worn them. You've seen them on camera before, me doing this video. I don't remember which video is which, so I'll just have it pop up here on the screen so that I don't get them wrong. I haven't tried Dawn yet. This is the one that's for brightness, only because I feel like if I was on the company's website, like scrolling for myself, these are the 2 that I'd be most, intrigued in trying. It's because you guys know, even though I do have oily skin, I like to have a nice balance of radiant and mattifying products in my routine. But I will swatch all 3 so that you guys know what they look like. So this is Dawn. Flip some out, and then when you start to blend it out, it kind of has a purple sheen to it. This is Sunrise. Down, don't fall. And then when you start to blend that out, it's kind of like a yellow golden tint to it. And last but not least is First Blush. Ooh, come on. And when you blend that one out, it has a kind of orange peach tint to it. So because this is a summer makeup look, you probably guessed the one I'll be using is First Blush, which is the one that gives you radiance. Now, you can use these on their own or under makeup. You might see it on the face, see the tint on my face, and be thinking to yourself, wait a minute, but as you can see, it blends out into not looking peach on your face. And see, once it dries down, no tint is left. It just leaves you with a healthy looking little glow to it. So because I said no foundation, I'm gonna go right in with spot corrector. And this is the Sephora Clear and Cover Acne Treatment in the shade 10 Walnut. And I feel like I don't have that much spot correcting to do. My skin's been fairly decent lately, except I told you guys I had some weird reaction to a exfoliant that I tried. And then I'm first going to dab all of that in with a brush. And then just kind of dab them all in with my fingers so they don't look so, you know, spotty. And then for concealer, I'm going to use the Giorgio Armani, a little too much on here, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. It's probably the perfect concealer for the summer, and really focus it in this area because that's where my bags are. And again, blend that out with first the brush. I almost said blush. And then just go over that a little bit with a sponge, but this is dry. What brand is this from? This is, ooh. I don't remember what brand this is from. We're gonna avoid, you know, bright white powders. Also, well, I mean, I would have used the Luminous concealer in general, but you know, that shade is more, it's not that like bright under eye concealer shade. It's not exactly a skin tone shade either, but it's in between there. I like it. But also you probably wouldn't want to use a bright concealer shade just because, you know, you're not putting foundation on. But the point of that was that I am also going to avoid bright powders to set my under eye because again, you just want it to look normal. Oh, also I don't have any eyeshadow on, so I'm gonna throw some of this Huda powder over just so that they don't get oily throughout the day. I'm gonna skip contour, but I am going to bronze my face. This is the bronzer by Vesca I was talking about. I used the shade Bali. Again, you don't have that much on your face, so you don't want to do too much so that, you know, you have like a weird harsh bronzer line and then you don't have any foundation and just some concealer on your face. So the Fenty blushes are actually perfect for a look like this because they are very sheer. So I'm gonna take some of this Rose Latte and just circle it onto my face. Gonna throw on the Fenty Hot Chocolate gloss. Now you could just leave it at mascara, but I threw on some half lashes as well, but that is it for my face. You know, not too dewy summer makeup. Like I've done glowy, almost wet skin on oily skin before. Not that, but also not matte, because who wants, you know, dry, cracked skin in the summer? Just right in that middle, that warm, but your skin still looks hydrated and moisturized and just healthy. Easy, no foundation because it's still hot. I still have oily skin makeup for the summer. Where we're gonna wear it to, I mean, I guess hopefully soon we'll find out. I don't know, but there are more important things to worry about than where you might be wearing makeup to. But that is it for this video. Shout out to Vesca Beauty. First they gave us a bronzer that would leave us sun-kissed, and now they've given us primer that can leave you either, you know, very radiant, very warm, or very bright for the summer. So I hope this video helped, especially for people who don't like wearing foundation in the summer or just when it's warm out. I hope this video helped. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.